I'm becoming the tutorial master. Okay, so basically this is how to do read aloud and how to use the read aloud journal, which I will be putting in this classroom. So you'll start out here, and I know yours looks a little different than mine, but not tremendously, okay? And you will go to reading, okay? When you click on reading, it should look like this, okay? Notice that it says Read Aloud Lawn Boy Worksheet. That's the name of the book. This gives you kind of the specifics. The short version is you'll use this document for the whole book. So every time that I read about 10 minutes of video, I'm going to ask you to focus on something or to make a prediction or to do a reading response. And the document's where you're going to do it. So we'll talk about that in just a second. Okay, so it will be right here in your reading area. And then for every one, I will have the video right here. And I will change the video out every single time that we do something. Okay, so it says read aloud 1 because that's what we're doing on Wednesday. But on Thursday, it will say read aloud number 2. But where you can see all the read alouds is the place called Read Aloud All Chapters. And in Read Aloud All Chapters, I'm going to add every single one as I do it. So if you get behind, or if you just love it and you want to hear it again, then boom, you can go all chapters. Okay, so back to reading. When it's time for you to do read aloud, it's kind of up to you. You will go to reading. First thing you'll do is you'll just click on the read aloud. Okay, and you'll listen to the read aloud. Then, when you're done, or I might have you pause and try something there, you're going to go to the Lawn Boy Journal. And here's what it's going to look like. Okay, you'll click on it. Every student has a separate one, and it looks like this. So I'm going to read this out loud. In this journal, you can enter any notes or thoughts, as well as what I ask you to do. For lesson number 1, my focus is characters and settings. So here's what I want you to do every single time. And I've already done the first one for you. The date. Now for this one, I'm asking you to do character, setting, and then I am asking for a prediction at the end. So when you open your document, this is what you will see. Now here's what I need from you. When you are done, I started right here, and I'm actually going to make it go away. Okay. So I started right there, and all I did was push the equals sign button. If you want to pick a different button, okay, but you can't use any letters. You can only use a shape. So now I'm just going to push the equal sign until it gets all the way across. And my computer's kind of tired because I'm making a video. As it goes all the way across, oh, I've gone too far. So now I just have to continue to hit backspace. And I'm going to go kind of slow because I don't want it to mess up. So you do the line so I know it's different. Then you add the new date for 30. And then whatever I ask you to do on that day, that's where you're going to type it. I've already formatted it. I don't want that changed. I have already set the font and set the size and all that kind of stuff. So that stays the same. And here's where you do it. And so that's it. You do the read aloud. You fill out doing what I ask you. And if there are any notes you want to take or put in there, you can. I will read them. But remember this, we're going to use this for the entire book. So you won't change it, you won't turn it in, nothing like that. You will just make new entries just like you would if you had a composition book and went from there. If you have any questions, just let me know. And hey, let's do some reading learning.